So today onwards, I'm taking care to give them more time for completing the diagram. Okay. So yesterday's lecture, thermometer, RTD, and thermocouple are covered. Any doubts or any problem, any question regarding this temperature measurement devices? If you have any doubts, any problem, any question, to unmute yourself and ask me directly or text me in chat box. Okay. No reply means no any question. Okay. So these points are covered in yesterday's lecture. Thermometer, thermocouple, RTD, resistance temperature detector. 3 points are covered in yesterday lecture. These are the three devices of temperature measurement. And today we are going to start the last one, temperature measurement device, like as thermistors. Okay. So I request all of you to draw this diagram under the heading thermistors. This is one of the temperature measurement device. These are the only circuit diagram using the thermistor. Here thermistor is attached. Voltmeter, ammeter, variable resistance battery, and switch. Okay. So voltmeter, function of voltmeter is to apply different voltage. Ammeter to check the capacity or current. And here different types of thermistor are used to change the temperature lower and higher. Here the different shapes of thermistors. See, this is metal probe, rod, glass, disc, skyware type, and bead type. These are the different types of thermistors. These thermistors are used in here. So whether the process or whether the concept are changed with the help of different parameters, checking or measure the temperature, different types of thermistors are used. So I request all of you to draw this diagram under the heading circuit diagram of thermistor. Please draw this diagram. completed. See, this is the circuit diagram of thermistor. Here, voltmeter, ammeter, and different types of thermistor are used to measure the temperature, senses the temperature. This circuit diagram display the when you apply input with the help of battery. This battery supply is connected to the variable resistance, and this variable resistor are heated, and this heated resistance connected to the ammeter, and ammeter connected to the voltmeter. This voltmeter are interact with the different voltmeter work as a trimmer to up and down the temperature, and thermistor to senses the temperature and displaying the measured temperature. Okay. So here, these are the details, principal construction working, and advantage, disadvantage of the thermistor. See the principle of thermistor. It changes the resistance with temperature changes. See this line. Thermistor changes resistance with temperature changes. Okay. The temperature dependent resistance. There are perfectly suited to scenario where one specific temperature needs to be maintained. They are sensitive to small changes in temperature. They can measure liquid, gas, or solids depending on the type of thermometer. Depending on the type of thermistor. Okay, so thermistor are used to measure the liquid, gas, and solids temperature. Whether the different types of thermistors are used, here the different shapes of thermistors. The different shapes of thermistors, they are used how to measure means solid, liquid, and gas. This category decided to choose the different shapes of thermistor. Okay. So write down the principle of thermistor. All of you, please write down the principle of thermistor. Thermistor change resistance with temperature changes. Thermistors change resistance with temperature changes. They are temperature dependent resistors. They are temperature dependent resistors. Full stop. Next line. They are perfectly suited to scenarios where one specific temperature needs where one specific temperature needs to be maintained So I request all of you to don't put your roll number here. Last 10 minutes give to taking attendance. Okay. So roll number 11, roll number 42. Next line. To be maintained, comma. They are sensitive to small changes. They are sensitive to small changes in temperature. They can measure liquid, gas, or solids depending on the type of thermistor. Depending on the type of thermistor. Okay. Full stop and next line. As the temperature increases, as the temperature increases, the resistance goes down and as temperature decreases and as temperature decreases, the resistance goes up. Full stop and next line. This is just opposite to the effect of temperature changes on metals. Of temperature changes on metals. Full stop and next line. A high sensitivity to temperature changes. A high sensitivity to temperature changes makes the thermistor extremely useful for precision temperature measurement. Precision temperature measurement, comma, control and compensation in the temperature range. Compensation in the temperature range of minus 100 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius. Full stop and next line. They are essentially semiconductors. They are essentially semiconductors which behave as resistors, which behave as resistors with a high negative temperature coefficient. With a high negative temperature coefficient. Full stop. So all of you, please draw this diagram of different shapes of thermistors under the heading different shapes of thermistors. Draw these 6 diagrams: bead, skyware type, disc type, metal probe, rod, and glass. These 6 different shapes of thermistors are used to measure the temperature. So I request all of you to draw these diagram of different shapes of thermistor. Completed. These are the different shapes of thermistors are used to measure the temperature. Write down. Thermistors are composed. Thermistors are composed of sintered mixture of metallic oxides such as manganese, nickel, cobalt, copper, iron, and uranium. Roll number 53, 50, 32, Saurabh Nikam. These are absent for today lecture. Full stop and next line. These metallic oxides, 31, Jaydev Nanavare also absent. These metallic oxides are milled, mixed in appropriate proportions. Sudarshan Mali. Are pressed into the desired shape with appropriate binders and finally sintered. Full stop and next line. The electrical terminals are either embedded before sintering or baked afterwards. Baked afterwards. Full stop and next line, last sentence. The electrical characteristics of thermistors are controlled by varying the type of oxide used, by varying the type of oxide used and physical size and configuration of thermistor and configuration of thermistor. Okay. So these are the temperature measurement devices. First one is a thermometer, second one is a resistance temperature detector, means RTD, third one is a thermocouple, and fourth one is a thermistor. Okay. Our next point is pressure measurement methods or pressure measurement devices. Okay. Give the heading pressure measurement devices or methods. Pressure measurement devices or methods. First one is Bourdon tube pressure gauge. Second one is diaphragm gauges. First one is a Bourdon tube pressure gauge. Second, diaphragm gauges. Third one is a piezoelectric pressure gauge. Piezoelectric pressure gauge. Next is a linear variable differential transformer, means LVDT. Linear variable differential transformer, means LVDT. And last, dead wet pressure gauge tester. Dead wet pressure gauge testers. These are the different pressure measurement devices. Okay. First one is a Bourdon tube pressure gauge. It is also known as a mechanical pressure gauge. Here, these are the diagram of Bourdon tube pressure gauge. All of you, please draw this diagram. I request all of you take 5 to 6 minutes, take a time and draw this diagram. Subject is totally theoretical, so I don't know this exam will be online or offline. These are not decided yet. But if on offline exam is there, these diagrams and theoretical part is most important. Don't only focus on MCQs. MCQs is only for online exams. If their exam will be conducted as offline, so your notebook theoretical part is also important. So I request all of you to draw this diagram under the heading Bourdon tube pressure gauge. Diagram is completed. If completed, anyone please reply me. If not completed, there is no need to reply. So any doubt or any problem for today's lecture? If you have some doubt, problem,
No, sir.
स्पीड मध्ये शिकवणं होतंय वगैरे असं काय होतंय का?